Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalam March 8, 2022 5-star Sudoku. Column C and 10th row we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. 7th grade. 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 7. 3 numbers it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B. 6 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. First grade. We have 6 and 4. So 6 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row and fourth row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. The 7 is confirmed here. Fourth row we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. First grade we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. We can confirm 9 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column C we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. 7th row we have 1, so 1 can't come this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 5, 7. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row and 10th row and column F we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F and second row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. Column I we have 6. So 6 can't come this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 8. Second row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. Column G we have 1. So 1 can't come the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. Column I we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 8, 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row and column I we have pair numbers 2 and 1. So 2 and 1 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. 8th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row and 9th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 8th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 8th row only one number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Eighth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 8. Column F and 9th row we have 4 and 7. The 4 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in any one of the cells. Column G we got 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. 10th row only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. 9th row 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 7. 6th row we have 2 and 1, so 2 and 1 can't come this cell, it will come in any one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 6th row and column I and column J we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in any one of the cells. 7th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 6th row and 7th row we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column D only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column G and column I we have pair numbers 8 and 4. So 8 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 6th row only 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. Column G we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then the only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column I we have 8 and 9, so 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Column H we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column I only one number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Column H we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column J 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column E 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 5th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Seventh row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 6th row only one number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Column G 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Fifth row we have 6, so 6 can come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.